Hello and welcome back to our YouTube channel where we showcase the best kitchen gadgets in town. In today's video, we will be reviewing the Russell Hobbs Food Collection Hand Blender 22241. This hand blender is a must-have in every kitchen and we're excited to show you why. The Russell Hobbs Food Collection Hand Blender 22241 is a powerful and compact kitchen gadget. It comes with a range of attachments, including a stainless steel blade, a plastic beaker, and a whisk attachment. The blender has a 2-speed setting, which allows you to control the blending speed for different types of food. The Russell Hobbs Food Collection Hand Blender 22241 is a sleek and stylish blender that comes with a variety of features. With its powerful 200W motor and stainless steel blades, it can blend even the toughest ingredients with ease. Whether you're making soups, smoothies, or sauces, this hand blender is up to the task. One of the standout features of this blender is its 2-speed settings. This allows you to choose the perfect speed for your desired consistency. The blender also comes with a detachable blending leg that makes it easy to clean. But that's not all. The blender also includes a 0.5L beaker that can be used for measuring and mixing ingredients. Additionally, it comes with a handy lid that can be used for storing your creations in the fridge. In conclusion, the Russell Hobbs Food Collection Hand Blender 22241 is a versatile and reliable kitchen gadget that can help you prepare meals in no time. Don't miss out on the opportunity to own one of these amazing blenders. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more product reviews.